Toyota Prius second generation. A car that changed the world of hybrid technology. But is it still a good option in 2024? Let's find out in this detailed review. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another car review. Today we have the Toyota Prius 2007. A car famous for its fuel efficiency and hybrid technology. But is it worth buying today? We'll talk about its pros, cons, and the real cost of maintaining this hybrid vehicle. The second generation Prius has a unique aerodynamic shape, designed to reduce air resistance and improve fuel economy. The headlights are sleek, and the taillights have a futuristic design for its time. The overall look may not be aggressive like modern sedans, but it's still recognizable and practical. Moving inside, you get a spacious cabin with comfortable seats and a digital dashboard. The gear selector is small and placed differently than traditional cars, but you get used to it. The infotainment system is basic by today's standards, but it was advanced for its time. The legroom in the back is decent, making it a good option for families. Under the hood, the Prius 2007 comes with a 1.5L petrol engine paired with an electric motor. The combined output is around 110 horsepower. The drive is smooth, and since it's a hybrid, it runs quietly on electric mode at low speeds. The CVT transmission makes the ride seamless, but don't expect sports car-like acceleration. It's built for economy, not performance. Now, the main reason why people love the Prius, it's fuel economy. This car can easily give you 20-25 km per liter in the city, and even 28 km per liter on highways. If you drive wisely, it can save you a lot of fuel costs compared to a regular petrol car. While the Prius is fuel efficient, it does come with some expensive maintenance problems. Let's discuss them one by one. The biggest concern with older Prius models is the hybrid battery. Typically, these batteries last around 3-4 years, and replacing them can cost anywhere from 150,000 to 250,000, depending on the quality and source. ABS system failure. Another common issue in the second-gen Prius is the ABS system failure. The ABS pump and actuator can develop faults over time, and replacing them can cost 80,000 to 150,000. So if you're buying a used Prius, always check the ABS system first. Transmission and inverter issues. While the Prius doesn't have a traditional gearbox, the inverter and transmission can fail in older models. Repairs can be costly, often exceeding Rs 100,000. In Pakistan, finding parts for the Prius is easier now than before, but they are still more expensive than regular petrol cars. Mechanics who specialize in hybrid vehicles are limited, so repairs can be costly. However, due to its fuel efficiency, the Prius still has a strong resale market, and well-maintained units sell quickly. So, should you buy a second-generation Prius in 2024?